Wow, it's a lot of jellyfish. There's 3 floors on this bugger. There's Asia right there. There's Europe. Approved, I think. Good morning. Today we're gonna go on a mini boat journey from Europe to Asia, from Karakoy in Istanbul to Karakoy, still in Istanbul but in Asia. So Europe to Asia on one boat ride. We're gonna have a look what the boat is like, and we're gonna reveal a little fun secret on the boat, which we'll find out very soon. Okay, let's try and get a ticket here. When I came here a few years ago, the tickets were 50 cents, so around a 50 American cents for a whole boat ride along the Bosphorus Strait here. So let's see how much it is today. Okay, so we have our ticket. I bought a 10 pass ticket because we're going to be in the city for a couple of weeks. So you can get 10 journeys. You can use these on the boats, the metros, the trains, the buses. So you get 10 journeys for 200 Turkish lira. And 31 Turkish lira is around $1 US. So pretty cheap. We're just waiting for our boat now. Okay, the floodgates have opened. We can get on the boat. Alright, so let's have a look at the boat. Look at this. So we're gonna unveil a nice surprise in a second. But first, we're gonna have a look at the boat. Oh, there's actually a toilet on here. Oh, that's good. It's hard to find a toilet these days. So this is what the seats look like. Look at that. Leather seats, TV. Life jacket could be useful. I think there's a way out there. I might be able to have a little look out the front or the back. Wow. Alright. Oh, what's this? Is this a... Oh, who knows? Wow. Thank you. Here we are, look at this. Wow. We have a Turkish flag up there, look. You can kind of see it. Alright. So let's have a look upstairs. See what's going on. It's quite nice in the summer. You can go to the top, have a look out over the city. There's 3 floors on this bugger. So this boat is pretty much the only way to get to the Asia side now, unless you're doing the Istanbul marathon, and then you can actually run over the Bosphorus Bridge, which is that one over there, I believe, the first bridge. But now if you go to that bridge, I went to that bridge the other day and there was pretty much people refusing to let me cross. If you want to cross that bridge on foot, you need a letter from the governor, a letter from the police force, and then you can walk over. It's not worth it. But this is pretty much the only way to get over to the Asia side. And to be honest, there's Asia right there. There's Europe. So it's not too far. Alright, wow. And there's the bazaars over here. Look, you got the Spice Bazaar, the Grand Bazaar. Wow. I think that's our signal. Signal we're leaving. Okay. So we have a surprise coming up momentarily. It's cool, isn't it? Wow. So still less than $1. We paid, it would be $6 for 10 trips. So work that out, less than $1 for a whole boat ride. Where do you get that anywhere else other than Egypt? Windows XP is out of date and I'm gonna get in trouble.
You saw a dolphin. You saw a dolphin.
Steven, done it. might get lucky a bit later. Let's not let it go to waste. Okay, we're just coming into Asia right now. It's only like a 20-25 minute ride, super quick. And from the Asian side, that's where we just were, right there. It's not too far away, is it? We've been throwing bread for these seagulls. I think they're full or something's wrong with them. I have no idea, but we're gonna try again later, see if we can get some. Oh, they're coming in, they're coming in. Okay, I think here's our chance. Here's our chance. Okay, let's go. Come on, asshole. Oh, you see that? Okay, follow the bread. Watch, ready? Yeah, you got it. Oh, yes, yes.
Dale, empezó. ¡Ah! Y ahí el otro. Te dice que te vayas mucho a la verga. Eso. ¿Ya? Puta madre este güey. Llegamos, chavos.
He went on the boat. Went on the other boat. Alright, welcome to Asia. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, what do you think of the boat ride? I'm glad we got the seagulls in the end. I thought it wasn't going to happen. I think on the European side they're a bit full. Apparently a bit more hungry on the Asian side. But yeah, that was the 75-cent boat ride over to Asia. And I think some people just stay on this boat, just go back and forth all day. Seems like a good deal if you like boats. But yeah, wow. It was pretty fun. Wow, it's a lot of jellyfish. Woo. Okay, so our guy just came over with a few teas. Got a little bit of a drink, look. 10 lira, it's around 33 cents, something like that. It's not bad, you're gonna try it? Okay, sure. Okay. A Turkish tea. Approved, I think. Super strong.